In this video, we will showcase various tools and software that can help with your growth hacking efforts. The first category of tools we'll explore is keyword research tools. Tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Google Keyword Planner can provide valuable insights into search volume and competition. Moving on, let's discuss analytics and tracking tools. Google Analytics, Mixpanel, and Kissmetrics are powerful tools for tracking user behavior and measuring the success of your growth strategies. A/B testing is crucial for optimizing your growth hacking campaigns. Tools like Optimizely, VWO, and Google Optimize allow you to test different variations of your website or landing page. Email marketing remains a powerful growth hacking strategy. Tools such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Drip can help you automate your email campaigns and track their performance. Social media plays a significant role in growth hacking. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social can help you schedule posts, engage with your audience, and analyze social media metrics. Creating compelling content is essential for growth hacking. Tools like Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Grammarly can assist you in designing visuals, editing videos, and improving your writing. Managing customer relationships is crucial for sustainable growth. CRM tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho CRM can help you organize customer data, track interactions, and nurture leads. We've covered a range of growth hacking tools and software in this video. By leveraging these tools, you can optimize your growth strategies and achieve better results.